craft tutorials on how to make felt flowers. Today we'll be making a felt rolled up flower which will serve as the basis for the next 4 tutorials. You will need the following materials: a glue gun and glue stick, 9 by 12 inch acrylic felt sheets, a pencil, and scissors. We're going to start off with a 9 inch by 12 inch acrylic felt sheet and mark off about 1.5 inch from the bottom of the sheet. Then you'll take your scissors and cut along the marked lines and end up with a strip of felt that looks like this. You will now take the strip and fold it in half as so. Grab your glue gun and dab along the edges of the strip to secure it into place. I would recommend doing this section by section so that the glue does not cool off. Once you have your felt strip, you will grab your scissors and cut diagonally into the felt. Make sure cuts are about 5 millimeters apart and only stretch halfway into the strip. Repeat this process for the full length of the felt strip. Once you have your strip ready, you will take the end and start rolling it up. Make sure that the glued edge aligns flush as you roll. Once you get all the way to the end of the strip, grab your glue gun and dab some glue on the end. Gently press and hold. Once you're done, you'll be left with this pretty little flower. This flower is a great introduction to felt flower making and will serve as the basis for our other flowers to come. Thanks for watching, guys. As always, the links will be provided in the product description below. Stay tuned for our next tutorial.